Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA XR21 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can use keyboard. So once you've got this keyboard, as you can see we've got 3 languages here right now and you can switch between them by tapping on word icon. But if you want to change the language totally, tap on settings, go to languages, tap on add keyboard. Now you can either scroll all the way down to find the language that you want to apply, or you can look for the desired language via search button. So let me pick for example Arabic. Tap on done, and now let's remove unnecessary languages. So you can remove all of them, you can stay with some of them, however you like. I would like to remove everything, and as you can see, keyboard languages are already changed. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.